Bright and Beautiful is just so appealing to our clients because we absolutely change their lives. We make them so happy and it's just absolutely amazing.
I think when I was looking and I looked at lots of different franchises, it spoke to me. I think, you know, you Google, you go onto the website, it's bright, it's beautiful, it's got impact, and it really appealed to me. It looks professional, it's got a very, very well organised setup, and I couldn't do something that wasn't professional. I absolutely need to know that we're delivering a quality product and that I can work with it and believe in it. And I think it's all about the belief that you have in what you're giving to your clients.
I chose Bright and Beautiful because I wanted to do something for myself. I loved the ethics of the company, and I was looking for something to give me a bit more work-life balance.
So I didn't really have anyone to go into business with, so franchising seemed like a really good fit for what I needed. I wanted to be part of something where there were other people around that could support me and, you know, cover my weaknesses. So I looked at franchising and I looked at cleaning. And the cleaning sector is very interesting because there's a lot of people in the cleaning sector where they're basically taking self-employed people and acting as a kind of introduction agency. And I decided that wasn't a model that I personally felt comfortable with. So when I discovered Bright and Beautiful, I got really excited about the ethical employment. There's nothing exploitative about our business model.
So the reason I became a Bright and Beautiful franchisee, or the first franchisee, was because I 100% believed in the dream.
We're bringing on people, giving them great opportunities to work in their local community and flexible working hours to suit their personal circumstances. So it ticked all the boxes for me in terms of the type of employment that we were offering, and I knew that there was a huge demand in my area for cleaning, and that was 8 years ago. The demand is far greater now than it's ever been, so it's a really lucrative market to get into if you choose the model that you think is right for you.
The biggest piece of advice I'd give to a new franchisee is be willing to put in the hard work, because it is very, very rewarding, but really embrace franchising. I think it's really important to be supportive to other people, collaborative. We're a caring bunch. We want to help each other, and we want to celebrate everybody's success. So you've got to want to be a part of a family. But for you personally, it is going to be hard work, of course, but it's really worth it.
We did a survey recently at Bright and Beautiful that said that we make our clients happy. And I find that every single day. It's really inspiring. We get stories from people who say that we just help them with their busy lives. They come home and they can relax because their home is welcoming them home. And we've got lots of elderly clients in our area who couldn't cope without us. We do client surveys, and when we hear what we mean to our clients, that gives me a real buzz.
I can sum Bright and Beautiful up in 3 words for me: pink, caring and fantastic.